Hey guys, it's Lily Bakes here and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I thought I would do a very realistic day in the life when I'm not at college. So in this video, I'm going to be making lots of Christmas content for you guys, which you will get a sneak peek of before I upload it. And also I'm doing an updated room tour since you haven't seen my room in ages and you've all been asking for a room tour, so make sure you stay tuned to the end of the video to see the room tour. But before we get started with the video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos just like this one. Let's go. It's now time to become a wag. Oh my gosh, look at that. Behind the scenes of a bake on a content day. Everywhere is a mess. Look how much of a fail this is. Good morning everyone. So as you may already know, today I'm planning to have a productive day since I don't do that a lot. I've decided I'm going to have a productive day. I'm not in college today, so I'm going to be productive, get lots of stuff done. I've just got out of bed. I need to actually get myself ready a bit. I need to brush my hair because I washed it last night, so I need to brush it out because I slept a bit wet, which I know I shouldn't do, don't come at me for it, but I did. And then I need to get changed, start getting ready for my day. First thing that I'm going to do now I've brushed my hair is get ready because I'm going to be taking Brooke to the yard. I've also got a full list of everything I need to do today, and one of the things I need to do is clean my room because it is a mess. Got clothes everywhere, and then I'm going to do for you guys a updated room tour, so make sure you stay tuned to see the room tour. So I've just put on this pink top and some black joggers, and I'm going to find a jumper. I need a jumper that actually goes with these joggers. Time to clean my teeth before I leave, and I also haven't had breakfast yet, so I'm going to have to sort that out because I'm quite hungry, but I might have to wait now because I don't have much time before we need to leave. Maybe this is alright, just like this jumper for now, because I'm only going to be going around the shops and then coming back, so I think it'll be alright. Bubbles got his hair cut yesterday, he's all fluffy. We are about to leave. Brooke's eating her breakfast in the car. We're going to the yard first, then we're going to take Brooke to school. Just arrived at Sainsbury's. Basically we had to take a little detour because we drove to Tesco's. As soon as I parked in Tesco's, my dad was like, can you come pick me up please, I need you to take me to the station. So we had to go all the way back to my house, pick dad up. Now we're in Sainsbury's. Mumsy. She said she don't look very good today, so she don't want to be in the video. Picked up a few bits, got lots of stuff. Here is everything that I got. I've got lots of cream cheese, lots of icing sugar, lots of chocolate. And then look at these, which I found, which are really cute. Christmas glittery decorating icings. I thought I could use some of them. And then these sprinkles. And then lots of butter. I also got some more sprinkles here. These ones, which have all reindeer faces on, which are really cute. That's everything that I got from Sainsbury's. First cake is in the oven for the cake pops, and now I'm going to do the mix for another recipe. I saw something on TikTok and it was like, when you make cake pops you don't need to actually even add buttercream to it. You literally just mix the cake mix in a mixer once it's been cooked, when it's hot. I'm going to turn it into cake pop dough. So that's what I'm trying, but it's not really working at the minute, so I'm just going to keep going, see if it changes, and I'll let you know. Look how much of a fail this is. It's just cake crumbs and it won't stick together, so I'm going to have to put some buttercream in it and just do it like that instead of the way that I thought it was going to work. Behind the scenes of a bake on a content day. Everywhere is a mess. And I've only made one recipe. Pop mixture is ready. I just had to do it with buttercream because obviously it was a foul earlier. But the mixture looks good now. And I'm going to roll them into balls. To sit down and roll the cake balls because I didn't want to stand up and do it. So I'm sitting down. I don't even know how many this is going to make, but there's probably going to be quite a few. Look how good these look. These aren't fully done yet, but I'm going to put them in the fridge and then dip them in chocolate. Another one of these because I have some mixture left. So I'm going to cut it with you guys because obviously I won't be able to cut the other one with you guys. So I need to film that so you can see what it looks like because I have no idea how it's actually going to turn out. I've never made one of these before. Right, let's cut the end off. Just don't really want that. In there. Oh my god. Oh my god. Guys, look at this. Oh my gosh, look at that. I did not know how good that would turn out. Oh my god. Can we just all take a moment to look at the inside of that and how good it actually looks? What the hell? Not even going to lie, I'm so happy with how these have turned out. I'm going to try it as well, just to make sure it actually, if the look goes with the taste. Got some here. Oh yeah. That is really good. That is so good. I'm so happy. How cute these look. I'm going to show you guys how I make these. So I've got my cake bowl. And I'm just going to dip it into this melted chocolate. Give it a swirl around. And then tap as much chocolate excess off as you can. I've got a bowl here to catch the sprinkles. And then I've got the sprinkles. I'm going to use these ones. And just sprinkle some on top. You don't want to do loads. Look how cute these look. Lots and lots of cake pops. It's now time to become a wag in the next few minutes because I'm in a rush. I've literally just finished. I haven't even finished all the stuff. Oh, I've been trying to clear up as much as I can. But we're leaving to go to watch my boyfriend's football. He's playing in the first team tonight. So me and my dad are going to go. I'm driving in the dark there, which I haven't done before. I haven't even drove there before, and I'm driving in the dark, but I'd be fine. I need to really get changed, but I don't know what I'm going to wear. I'm wearing this, and don't come at me for wearing it more than once, because I've worn it a few times, I know that. But I actually did not know what else to wear. But we're leaving in a second. I'm in the car. Oh my god, my voice is still so bad. I'm still not very well. But I'm in the car now, and I'm waiting for my dad. We're a little bit late, but it's fine. I've just got home. Football went very well. He got his debut for the first team. Very proud of him. He played very well. And so I drove home. And then I got back in, I was a bit hungry, and I brought over to him and his family some of the stuff that I made, and one of them was the cake pops, and he said they were unreal. So I'm going to try one and see what he's saying about it, because I actually don't even know what they taste like. I hadn't tried it. Oh yeah, they're quite good to be fair. Finally, it is time for my updated room tour, so I'm going to show you guys around my room. As you walk in, you've got my bed, and then I've got my drawers and my wardrobe, some hoodies there, and a few bits here, and all my pictures along here. Then I've got all my shoe boxes, and come around here, you've got my bed, like dressing table. And it's got all my stuff in there, and my chair, which I do want to get rid of. Got all my books, which I'm saving for Brooke. Got my desk with my Kenwood truck, which is really cute. Then over here I've got my, what's this even called? I forgot what it's called, which I sit on. Bedside table, and that is it. That is my updated room tour. Make sure to comment down below if you want an updated Christmas room tour, because I'll be decorating my room for Christmas very soon. that is the end of the video, guys. If you liked it, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so you don't miss any more videos just like this one. Bye.